Alright, I have a unboxing video. Oh great, a box within a box. And we have a case of US government locks. This is the 100G. Some crazy bidding on that one. Wow. Got number 2 and 3 pin. Super high cut. Looks like there's what, 2, 3, 5 pinners. Okay, that don't. It's key retaining. I don't feel a spring in the shackle, so it's yeah, the shackle does not pop up. You turn the key, you gotta do it by hand. Turn, lift. Oh, well, that even makes it even tougher to pick. So I guess when you get it picked, you're gonna have to reach over and pull it open. This is, they're laminated, it's corrosive proof. Take a look at the keyway there. Oh, the pins are sitting on the a ledge right here. So, got a nice keyway to pick. This is going to be a fun pick. And I'll be listing these government locks. Obviously, I have some for sale. I have some extra ones. Anyway, got the 100G Paclock US government locks. Five pinners. Key retaining. Thanks for watching.